I know. I like eating too much. I haven't been able to get fat, you know. Oh my God. The venom, it's going through my body. Oh, is it me or is the room spinning? My head is on fire. Fire. Put it out, put it out, put it out. Oh my God. I'm getting dizzy. I'm getting dizzy. Oh, great. Now I'm a vampire. Try to grab you, Edward. Edward, why would you turn me into a vampire? Wait, why do I care? He's pretty hot anyway. Yeah, he's pretty hot. I can deal with being a vampire. So cause like now I could be all like we hurt you. Bye. Peace out, yo.